Mastering Product Retouching course from Artem Pissarevskiy. One of the best retouchers that I know. Artem is a professional retoucher. He works at a big advertising agency. And now we got a course from him. This is an amazing opportunity for you to learn retouching for product photographers, and I'm inviting you to the course. Now Artem is going to tell you what this course is about and what will be covered in this part.
Alright, hello everyone and welcome to another Photog video. My name is Artem Pissarevskiy, your post-production instructor from photog.com, and this is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to announce our new course, Mastering Product Retouching by Photog. It's the course that is been requested many times by our members, and now it's finally done. We're going to release the course in 3 parts: beginner, intermediate and advanced. The first part is going to cover a basic pipeline for your retouching needs, things such as raw conversion, profile creation, basic retouching techniques, etc. Then we're going to jump into intermediate to crank it up a notch and teach you more difficult techniques. And last but not least, we're going to go into the advanced section and teach you those neat tips and tricks which are going to make your images really cool and make them stand out. So that's pretty much the course outline. We've been working on this course for the past 5 months, I think, and now the beginner part is coming out. I hope you enjoy the course. Now is the perfect time to grab it, take out your trusty Wacom tablet and get to retouching. I think it's going to be very fun and very interesting course for everyone. So that's pretty much it for the announcement. I hope you enjoyed the course and I thank you for watching this video.